The design and custom manufacturing process happens in these 3 phases. Please note that the prototyping phase, where we perform detailed engineering evaluations and live user testing, is not always necessary or even recommended. You can omit that phase altogether if you chose. Get in touch with us however you'd like. We meet to find out as much as we can about the project. We create a few virtual ideas for your feedback. We hear your thoughts on which mock-up or mock-ups you'd like to move forward with. You decide on a prototype and how we are going to test it. Create 1 or several models to try. Perform a series of engineering simulations on the design. Physically put it through its paces. An outside group trying it out in the environment it will be used in. A comprehensive review of the prototype used to evaluate its viability. Upon entry to our system, your product has no minimum order quantity and can be made at any point on demand. Decide on your initial order quantity. Reorders can be made as many times as you'd like or revised. Since the designs are created using a design template, revisions are significantly cheaper and quicker than an original design would be.